So, I signed on to a new ship. See if you can guess what it is. Well, besides seeing the title of this video. So I jumped on a plane and I flew out to Tampa. I was gonna meet up with the tanker ship. And I've worked on tankers before, so it should be nothing new. Except this time I was gonna be signing on as an AB Dayman instead of a Watchstander. The difference between a Dayman and a Watchstander: when the ship's underway, instead of standing a navigation watch, I just do maintenance on the deck. It's not a bad gig. Wake up early in the morning, do some sanitary, and spend the rest of the day chipping and painting for the most part. Pretty chill, nothing too crazy. Better than spending 8 hours a day on the bridge, that's for sure. However, when the ship is in port doing cargo ops, I will stand a cargo watch. Every cargo watch has 2 ABs and an officer. We'll get more into that later. Speaking of cargo ops, from what I've heard, this ship is just on a short run from Lake Charles, Louisiana, over to Tampa, Florida. Which from pilot station to pilot station is probably like 700 miles. And from what I hear, it's like a day and a half transit. So the majority of the time, we're going to be in port. Which isn't a bad thing. It's nice being in port. It's kind of what you get when you sign up for a coastwise tanker. It means you have cell phone service all the time, direct TV, good food. Yeah, I have a good feeling about this voyage. So a little bit about the ship. This is an eco-class product tanker. Also known as an MR tanker, medium range. It has the capacity to hold 330,000 barrels of oil, clean petroleum products, or whatever other kind of chemicals. She is 610 feet long and 105 feet wide. The bread and butter of tankers, as the captain would say. There is one more thing we should talk about. While working on tankers, especially when you're disconnecting or connecting the hoses, you're exposed to a lot of the toxic fumes that are inside the hose. And for that reason, you're required to wear a mask. And to ensure a tight seal with the mask, all crew is to be clean shaved, with the exception of a mustache, which leads the entire crew to grow the famous And as much as we tried, we couldn't get the captain to grow a tanker stash. But, being as cool as he is, he did buy everybody mustache combs. Thanks, Cap. So yeah, new ship, new voyage, new ship's log. Be sure to subscribe and follow the channel because we're going to be doing new episodes every Tuesday at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Also, head over to the Slop Chest Sailor Store and check out our new tanker merch. Link is going to be in the description. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.